Well, today it's, what is it? March 21st, I believe. Just got back from town. And what I got going on today is I bought myself a different water barrel for gravity feeding. I'm going to use this barrel here, you see. Because the one I have inside, it's much too big for what I need. But I'm going to use it. It takes up too much room. But I'm going to use it for rain catchment soon. As things start melting. I'm going to put the smaller barrel up there and gravity feed down for my needs. So that's kind of what I'm doing today. Let's get that done and enjoy the sunshine. And we're getting some good solar. We're getting some good solar in. I get 4 or 5 hours of solar. It's enough to get me through the night for now. Everything's improving daily. Birds got hungry over the winter. They ate this whole thing in 2 days. Although they do spill some stuff, but the squirrel gets the spilled stuff. Okay, first thing first, I gotta drain that tank. There's probably about, I don't know, 35, 40 gallons in there or something. No point wasting it as much as I can, because you know when you're off grid, power and water or all your utilities are something you think about daily. But I'm gonna fill this jug up and fill up my hot water tank. This is my handy dandy hot water tank. And then the rest I'll put in the rain barrel outside. Should work. Well, she's getting down to the bottom. I'm gonna see if I put something under it to get as much out as I can. How about this knife? Ooh. That should do her. Let her drain some more. Okay, we got her empty. Only about 1.5 inches in the bottom, so that's not too bad. Last time when I did it, I hoisted it up over the railing. And that was pretty darn hard. But I'm thinking this time, I'll just take off this railing. Like, there's only 4 screws. And we've got nails on that end. But I'll take this off. Then it'll be a lot easier to lower down and bring the other one up. Success. Is it going to work without smashing something? We'll soon find out. Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Oh. Perfect. Oh yeah. Okay, I got this barrel from the UFA, but sounds like there's something sliding around inside. It could very well just be a little bit of ice, but I better double check. Aha, there's something in there. Ah, looky there. Could it be? It's probably a tap or a spigot. Sure enough, I bought one because I didn't know if there was one. Didn't think there was one, so now I have two. Usually I have 2 or 3 of the same thing. And then they even gave some Teflon tape. So that's good. I think I'll use this one. It's all brass. The other one is got a red handle on it. Well, that's good. Better too many than not enough. That's what I always say. Holy shit! Almost went through the crack. I gotta get it without dropping it. Yeah! I got it. That was a close one. Okay, let's get her up. Take it from there. Actually, I'll put the tap on first. Easier to put on here than up in position on the loft. You always got to remember which way to put the Teflon tape on. It's going like this, so I'll put the Teflon tape that way. Yeah. Whoops, don't want to cross thread it. Better put a little more Teflon. A little more Teflon. Should be good. I can always snug it up a bit later if I have to. Okay, up she goes. Gonna be beautiful. Yeah, let's put that off by the side by the desk. It'll kind of be out of the way, blends in, nice color. Okay, barrel in place. Now, a moment of truth. Throw some water in and see if it leaks. Now, first thing I notice, that screen on there makes the water splash too much when I'm pouring. So I'll take it off when I'm loading her up and put it back on. Okay, let's see if she's gonna work. Got about a third of it in, third filled up. And we got water. Nice. This is just for doing dishes, washing up or whatever, and I can make shower water, bath water. Not for drinking, basically, everything else. Although it is palatable water. But the fire's going nice, actually too nice. I'm getting hot. Time to clean up. And yeah, relax a bit. And fill up the rest of that water tank. I'll catch you on the next video. There's going to be a lot going on here on the homestead. But one day at a time. I don't like to rush too much if I can help it. That's when people make mistakes. Stay healthy and keep dreaming.